Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where horsepower meets heart, and every engine tells a story. If you love high-performance machines, precision engineering, and the rush of the open road, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss the thrill. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3, a car that continues to set the benchmark for track-focused precision wrapped in everyday drivability. Porsche didn't just refine the GT3 this year, they sharpened it, enhanced it, and made sure every rev of that flat six punches a little deeper into your soul. At first glance, the 2025 GT3 doesn't scream for attention. But that's the Porsche way. Subtle, focused, purposeful. Look closer, though, and you'll spot the aerodynamic tweaks, more aggressive air intakes, a revised splitter, and a slightly reworked swan neck rear wing that adds more downforce without increasing drag. The body is still sculpted for speed, but everything serves a function. Beauty in the GT3 comes from performance. Under the hood, it's the familiar 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine, now tuned to push out 520 horsepower. It's raw, high-revving, and one of the last true motorsports engines still breathing freely without a turbo in sight. Porsche claims a 0 to 60 time in just 3.2 seconds, and it'll scream its way to a top speed of over 198 miles per hour. This engine doesn't just move you, it speaks to you. Every rev is a conversation between man and machine. Transmission options remain a key point of pride. You can get the GT3 with the lightning-quick PDK dual-clutch automatic, but purists will love that the 6-speed manual is still here, light, precise, mechanical. It's a rare gem in a world moving too fast toward automation. The suspension setup in the 2025 GT3 is a masterpiece of balance. Porsche borrowed heavily from its motorsport division, including a double wishbone front suspension, giving you sharper turn and a more consistent grip through high-speed corners. Rear-wheel steering adds agility at low speeds and stability at high ones. It's a dance of engineering that translates into confidence behind the wheel. Inside, the cockpit is as focused as the exterior. Carbon fiber trim, Alcantara surfaces, and bucket seats that hold you like a race harness. The tech is modern but minimal, screens where you need them, dials where you want them. There's a purity to the layout, a driver-first philosophy that defines the GT3. What Porsche has done with the 2025 GT3 is preserve the soul of driving. In a time when everything is becoming digital, electric, and filtered, the GT3 remains a raw, analog experience. It's not just about speed, it's about connection. The road, the sound, the feedback, all of it comes together in a way few cars can replicate. That's it for today's deep dive into the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3. If you felt the thrill just hearing about it, imagine what it's like behind the wheel. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Manual or PDK, which would you choose? Thanks for watching Auto Garage. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your spirit redlining.